everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a cute package here from Etsy. Isn't this adorable? Some of these shops have the cutest little bags. I'm going to cut it down here so I can try to maybe reuse it. I think August is a perfect month for watermelon. Oh my gosh, and it's so cute on the inside too. Oh boy, I'm excited. So I ordered some things for knitting. How cute is this? These knitters, man, they are so kind. Oh, I can smell the lavender. Oh my gosh. Okay, first thing, I bought these little sachets and they have lavender in them and they smell so good. Oh my gosh, and this one has Charlie Brown on it. And they're both Christmassy. I mean, you can use them as ornaments or whatever you'd like, but I'm going to leave it with my yarn to help my yarn smell good. And look at this, I got a buttermint tea. I have never heard of the buttermint. Creamy taste of vanilla flavored peppermint tea. Oh, I bet I will love that. Yum. Oh, and then look, I got another little progress keeper, stitch marker, and a pen. My goodness. So this is a little pen and it says Steel City Stitcher. And this is by Roberta Frund. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but you can shop at steelcitystitcher.etsy.com, and I will try to remember to leave that below. If for some reason I've forgotten, please, please, please tell me. But look how cute that is. And then she gave me this little stitch marker, which is just adorable. There's a little bead on it, and then it has a pumpkin, which is perfect for fall. Oh. And then what I ordered, as well as these little lavender scented sachets, was this little one skein project bag. So on one side it has little frogs, and I don't know if you can see, but they are glittery. And I love frogs because my son reminds me of a frog sometimes, so we call him Frog. My daughter is a chicken, my son is a frog. And the bag opens up so it's flat on the bottom. It will easily hold one skein, and I can just fish my project out of there, or I can leave it closed with these cute little plastic buttons and pull the yarn through as I'm using it. It has a neat little nice key ring here on the side. So I love these small bags because they're perfect for little projects on the go. And I can just put my stuff in there if I'm going to be gone for a couple of hours, take it with me and have it all nice and neat and not have to worry about it. And then these I'm probably going to put in bigger bags when I get those, so that they will smell nice and neat, and it'll make the yarn just smell so good. And this one is all glittery. I had to get this one because it's Charlie Brown. And then this one I wasn't even going to get, but I had to because it was glittery and pretty. Super cute. Okay, well that's that. So check out Steel City Stitcher and have a wonderful day. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.